Hey guys, what's going on? Do another Game Boy video, and I'm gonna just, dude. Okay, FBI. Okay, fucking law enforcement. I didn't threaten FBI, by the way, but FBI, you are involved in recording me everywhere I go and doing falsely accused information on me. If I find out you weren't involved, you're lucky. But if you were involved with law enforcement, which you are, I got a legal document with a legal document with fucking DNA. Yes, positive, didn't do anything on minor. Watch this. I'm gonna show you this right now. I got video evidence. If you have no criminal record on video evidence, oh wait, I wanna actually I can't spoil the thing. I wanna make it right. Come on. Let's make it right. Good luck talking to the judge. Oh, you don't want me to use my phone? Oh, then I guess I better call 911, law enforcement. I have every right to. If you have no criminal record on video evidence and you register as a felony, can you bust law fucking enforcement? If you have no criminal record on video evidence and you register, watch this. Yes! It is possible to hold law enforcement accountable using video evidence. Hey, FBI, you want to record that one? Video evidence, even if you have no prior criminal record or if you are registering as a felon through the process is complex and requires legal counsel. Video evidence is a powerful tool to provide police misconduct. You know, this is why we have attorneys, ladies and gentlemen. Such as excuse of force, wrongful arrest, or violations of constitutional rights. Oh man, hey man, that's my evil laugh. Hey Alexa Bliss, you know what sucks? Now I'm gonna show you this now. Using video evidence, which FBI, you're so busted for this now. If you're recording right now, you know you gotta do your job now. And I'm gonna show my phone, and I'm gonna bring my phone on the 20th. If you take my phone away, I'm gonna hold you accountable now. No questions. I told my dad everything, by the way. And my dad finds out, oh, he already did. I told him about the FBI. Yes, positive shit. And guess what? He thought it was a joke. But guess what? I got a legal document. And no, it's not a joke. You want proof? Why are you taking my phone? Yeah, no, you're done, FBI. You're done! And, oh, you gonna think you're gonna talk to marshals and military? No, they handle way more cases than that. They're not gonna even take marshals. I don't know if you know this, but you better not get involved in this shit. I don't think you want to be accountable for your actions, okay? Including you, FBI. If I find out why you're recording me, why these people are whispering around me, if you're accountable, you're going to be accountable for your actions. Again, you're making the biggest mistake of your life. And I'm going to save this video and show my attorney too, by the way. Using video evidence and miserably video evidence of police misconduct. It's generally admissible in court if it is properly authenticated, verified as real and not edited. Awesome. It is real. Accountability. Video footage can lead to... Oh, FBI. Hey, FBI. I don't think you're doing your job right. FBI, do your fucking job! Accountability. Video footage can lead to investigations. Dismissal of charges. Dismissal of charges. So let me get this straight, FBI. So whatever charges I have that you're gonna throw at me in court, that's all gonna go bye-bye. You know that, right? Let's read again, shall we? Yeah, what are you gonna do when I have evidence on video footage? Let's read this again. Accountability. Video footage can lead to investigations, dismissal of charges. So, ladies and gentlemen, including my lady friends out there, I think you might want to fucking watch out for yourselves. FBI might watch you, personally, because they're using you as bait. Don't trust them. Why, FBI? You're not doing your job. I don't care. I don't give two fucks, FBI. You can't take my phone away from me now, and if you do take my phone, oh wait, you can't. So if I show up to court on the 28th Bridge Courthouse, am I gonna see law enforcement? What are you doing? No, I'm showing this to my attorney. You can't just take this phone, man. I have video evidence, and I can hold you accountable, and I'll say that out loud. You don't want to mess with me. Oh, if you hit me, if you grab me, you'll be charged with aggravated battery. Got that? Now that we got that out of the way. Video footage can lead to investigation and dismissal of charges against you and potentially criminal of civil action against officers. Funny. Dismissal of charges against you. That's me, Louis V. Pascale, and potential criminal or civil actions against officers. So let's find out, shall we? So all the charges are gonna be dropped against me and potential criminal or civil actions against officers. That means you will get all the criminal charges and disparate action. I just recorded proof on Google. Okay? I'm gonna take this and bring it to my attorney and show my mental specialist this, and you guys are done. You're out of here. That is the shit. Let's play this song again. Okay? You know, I don't know how many times I had to fucking show fucking evidence. I don't know how many times I have to fucking put you in your place. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. If you grab me, you'll be charged with aggravated battery. Oh, there's cameras at courthouse. Good luck, FBI. Good luck. You want to be charged? Hey, no, FBI. I got a document here. What are you talking about, FBI? You gave me an FBI number. You were involved. My case is open, FBI. I already have an open investigation, but here, FBI. Video evidence of police misconduct generally administered in court, if it is broadly authorized, verified as the real and not edited. Hey, FBI. You know you gotta do something about this, right? Are you fucking stupid? I didn't threaten you, FBI. I was just being pissed off at you and being mean to you that you were involved in my case. And guess what, FBI? You better do the right fucking thing before the 28th, because if you don't, you're gonna go to federal prison. And I'm giving you one last chance to do the right thing. One last chance. You fuck it up in court, you take this phone away from me in court on the 20th, hey, we need to take your phone. No, you don't. I got a legal document. Why you need my phone? Possible criminal charge. Call the Willow Springs up. Here's my 2 charges, 2 class 3s. That's all you need, right? Shut up. Okay, you have no idea what you're doing, FBI. And if you're making the biggest mistake of your life, real fucking bad. I'm gonna feel so sorry for you guys if you don't fucking stop what you're doing right now and arrest whoever's responsible right now and bring him to court on the 28th, because I will take justice into my own hands. Okay, guys, I got one video down on my phone on Google One about the no criminal history. Look at what this just said. Look, if you have no criminal record on video evidence and you register as a felon, I did that this year, failed to register, 330. Can you bust law enforcement, okay? Now, FBI, you know you're already going to be busted if you're helping them out, or you know that, right? Because look what it says here. Yes, it is possible to hold law enforcement accountable using video evidence even if you have no prior criminal record, or if you're registering as a felon. What did I just read? It's not rocket science. If you're registering as a felon, I'm already on the internet now. You know that, FBI. Do your fucking damn job. Through the process is complex and requires legal counsel. Video evidence is a powerful tool to provide police misconduct. Wow, police, you're going to have more than misconduct. You're going to be charged of murder, such as excessive force, which you did, wrongful arrest, which you did, or violations of constitutional rights, which you did. 3 fuck-ups. 3 Ron fucking accusers. Do I need to make myself clear? Oh, you're crying now? Oh, are you crying, guys? You don't want to go to federal prison? You know, the big man's gonna hear about this soon. Now you gotta record everything back to the big man. That's right, FBI. You are so fucking busted. You better do your job. If you don't, if you take my phone away in court, you can't. I'm gonna charge you. You know that, right? I know you're on me. And I know you're watching. So guess what? How does it feel to be on the other side? Limitations. While video helps, it does not always guarantee an immediate arrest. That's okay. I'm fine. The officer. Well, we already know that. This is court we're talking about. They'd be taking interrogation, which FBI did, and now they're fucked. So we already know that. If often requires filling a formal complaint, which that's happened already, with internal affairs or a civilian review board, or fill in a lawsuit. Well, let's find out. So that's 3 choices. I already went interrogation mode at the Willow Springs Police Department and said all that, the no criminal history, I'm a heart transplant, and I died. So they got their fucking scoop. Is that right, FBI? Now you gotta show that to the judge now, and you're fucked. Okay? Hey, judge, you better do the right thing, man. You don't want to look at federal prison. You know that, right? They could come and arrest you. Now, I didn't threaten the judge. I'm just saying, if he doesn't do the right thing and drop all these charges right now, you will go to federal prison. Now that we got that out of the way, and of course, including you, state prosecutor, impact of your criminal record status, credibility, your lack of a criminal record makes you a more credible witness. However, even if you are a felon or currently registering, you still possess constitutional rights, and police are not allowed to violate them. Wow. Hey, FBI, law enforcement, you just lied. Registering as a felon, may I remind you. However, my 4-year-old needs to be proud of me right now. Even if you are a felon or currently registering, you still possess constitutional rights, and police are not allowed to violate them. So, FBI, what are you gonna do when you go to federal prison? Oh, too late. Hey, FBI, I wasn't threatening you, by the way. You know you're watching me illegally, right? Oh wait, no, you are doing your job, but what you're not doing is you're not putting law enforcement away yet. Why? Why are you not? How come? So, FBI, do you want to go to federal prison? You know you're involved now, right? Because you're not doing your job. Why aren't you putting them away? Why are you not doing it? You know Willow Springs Police Department's still there, right? Why aren't you not arrested them? Why? I think I know why. Because you were involved! Even if you are a felon or currently registering, you still possess constitutional rights, and the police are not allowed to violate them. Let's read more. Retaliation risk. Recording police can lead to retaliation, which I never did, such as being arrested for obstruction, which I never did, or disorderly conduct, which I never did, even if you were not actually interfering, which I never did. Credibility batteries. credibility battles. If the case goes to trial, your record may be used by the defense, the officer lawyers, to try and discredit you. I like that. Funny. You you guys are so fucking dumb. Legal steps to take. File report, complaint, file complaint with the police department. Well, we can't trust law enforcement now. Affairs Division, a civilian complaint board, or the FBI. Like I told you, we can't trust the FBI in this one. They're involved now. Obtain an attorney. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. A lawyer is a crucial fulfilling a Section 1983 civil rights lawsuit, which allows for suing officers for violating your rights. Well, I got a public defender. That's more than enough for me. Do not interfere. The right to record is protected only if you do not physically obstruct the officers or violate safety instructions, which I never did. Good, because a SWAT beat my ass up and killed me. And law enforcement, you killed me. So guess what, law enforcement? You grabbed me. Do not interfere. I like it. Done. Important. If you have video evidence or police wrongdoing, you should source the video. Okay, I got it on my phone. Don't worry, FBI. I got it on my phone, documented and recorded right here. Many videos, even on my YouTube channel. And I got pictures as evidence. Thank you. Wow. Write down every detail of the innocent. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, lawyer. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm glad I'm talking to you guys. And consult a lawyer before posting the video publicly or handling it over to the police. Well, I'm sorry, I kind of I violated that, and now FBI knows. Well, I can't do that. My life's in jeopardy. I died in DePage County Jail and died in Hill Correctional Prison. So my life's in danger. I'm sorry, I broke one rule. But wait, broke one rule, and I got enough video evidence to put away law enforcement and FBI for the rest of their life. Guess what? Guess what, guys? Brother. You know it's over. It's done. You're done. You've been caught. I'm gonna show my mental specialist this. I'm gonna describe her every video that look what I got on them. And they're fucked. You know what's sad, FBI? You're not doing your job. You better do your job after this video and arrest the whole Willow Springs Police Department. And if you're not, you're involved. Why? Because you're going to be fined, you're going to be fired, and you're going to federal prison for a very, very long time. Guess what? You're not taking this phone away from me. You're dead. You're so dead in court. Wanna know why? Because now I'm registered as a sex offender. Yeah. And wanna know the truth? That I wasn't caught. I didn't have enough evidence by FBI to get caught with sanitary rape or attempt rape. But now they're gonna file all these charges, sexual charges on me, and it's not gonna be enough. Why? I got a video of no criminal history taken 4 to 5 months ago on a video, and I got video footage, pictures, and I have documents of my head injury. A law enforcement killed me in DePage County Jail, and I wasn't taking the right meds. And I got legal written down that I died in Seg and Hill Correctional Center without taking my meds. I'll show that all to my attorney. If you guys take it to bench trial, you're done. If you take it to trial, I wouldn't go there. Recording police can lead to retaliation, but if the case goes to trial, which I don't think, if you're that stupid, you you guys are done. I'm sorry, Jessica. I'm sorry.